Naghanap-hanap ako sa Black App kung ano pa ang pwedeng lutuin. Buti na lang nakita ko tong cheesy buffalo. Kaya tara, samahan niyo akong tikman at bigyan ng review etong nakita ko.
It happened last night, about 10 to 11 when I first laid eyes on you. Standing in line into Club 777, it was just like heaven, a dream come true. We're standing in the right place at the right time. With you this girl caused the crime. You're my pretty little girl who made me a fool in love. Got my tongue in the world.
In fairness, masarap talaga siya at panalo talaga yung lasa niya kahit na nakalimutan ko yung bawang.